I'm Tiffany and I'm here at the Magic Kingdom to show you some of the awesome Christmas decorations that are up and some of the Christmas offerings, along with some of the resorts around the Magic Kingdom that have some great decorations. Check out how beautiful it is. Absolutely amazing. Just love the little toy soldiers like in the parade. Look at how beautiful that tree is. This is the Christmas Carol themed window. I might need those ears. Look how cute that is. I just love it all so much. The Jungle Cruise goes all out for Christmas and becomes the Jingle Cruise. And if you thought the Jungle Cruise was popular, the Jingle Cruise can be even harder to get a lightning lane for. So if you're coming at Christmas and you plan on doing Genie Plus, just make sure you keep that in mind. Today is the first day I've been in Magic Kingdom since the Hatbox Ghost. I am so excited to get to see him. The Haunted Mansion is a slow-moving dark ride where you ride on a doom buggy. And it is so much fun and has a huge following. Very, very popular attraction.
This chamber has no windows and no doors.
Here you have the Ye Olde Christmas shop. This is where you can find great Christmas things year round. Look at this cute Christmas plush. And there is a Christmas train set. You can also get your ornaments personalized here. Here in Ye Olde Christmas is where you can write letters to Santa. Dear Santa, I want a 2-week trip to Walt Disney World and to go to all the other Disney parks in the world. On the cast member door, there's a countdown to Christmas. You can also buy the salt black ears here and get them customized like this. I have some I did for a Rim Disney event one time. Here's the sled you can take a picture in. Back behind the Ye Olde Christmas shop is where you can meet Santa. He isn't out right now, but that's Santa's area. I'd like to insert some pictures of what Magic Kingdom looks like lit up because it's truly magical. So here's a little footage from my trip in November. If you want to see the video I pulled this footage from, it is my How Much Can I Do at Disney After a 5K video, and you will see footage of the Jungle Cruise at night and some of the other parks. Press forward onto the monorail. Check out the decorations at the Polynesian Resort. It's just gorgeous. out the tree. Oh, so pretty. I am in line for the pineapple line to get the special Christmas Dole Whip. This is the 𝐬𝐚𝐡 holiday float. Lime Dole Whip, pineapple juice, strawberry poppin' candies that I don't see, and then the white chocolate. It's good. It's a little tart, but it's very good. Very refreshing with the pineapple juice. All right, let's check out my favorite hotel at Christmas time. The Grand Floridian. Check out that Christmas tree. And right down here, you'll see the gingerbread house. Isn't it beautiful? It actually has a counter where you can buy treats. I'm not going to be buying any today, but that is an option. And just look at that tree. So pretty in here. I would love to stay here sometime at Christmas time. It's not really in my budget, but it is gorgeous. When it's not Christmas time, my favorite dream resort that I'd want to stay in is the Polynesian. I haven't stayed there either. From the Magic Kingdom to the Animal Kingdom. Ready to see some more Christmas decorations. It's starting to get a little darker and the tree is beautiful. Hey!
One more time.
Thank you. I am really bummed because it started raining and I really wanted to get to see the Merry Menagerie. I've never seen them before. They are characters like on these lanterns that come around, little puppets with puppeteers. And they look so cute, but I don't think that they'll be out in the rain. Alright, really bummed I won't get to see the Menagerie, but there's always next year, or maybe tomorrow I can make it back. I doubt it because I'm trying to do the festival holidays and the candlelight processional and a whole bunch of stuff, but maybe next year. Just know when you come to Disney, your plans may have to change. You need to be flexible. You're at Disney either way. Enjoy it, have fun. In worst case, if you're really, really disappointed about something, you can always buy yourself a little merch to cheer yourself up. I also have my eye on this Loungefly. And I think the Christmas ears are on sale. Another Disney tip, pack your poncho. Always have a poncho. I am cracking up right now because there were some kids that are chanting, take your stuff off, it stopped raining. Heading into Dino Land.
Welcome back, explorers.
Check him out. The dinosaur is all lit up and he has a Santa hat on. Look at how cool he looks. Alright, I'm at Adventurous Outpost to meet Mickey and Minnie in their Christmas gear. Mickey and Minnie at the Northern Lights. Yeah! Hi, Mickey! Hi, Minnie! Y'all look so festive! Chippendale! I know, it should be Mickey and Minnie, right? Love you too. I had so much fun making this video and getting to see the animal kingdom lit up for Christmas. Sadly, didn't get to see the Merry Menagerie, but sometimes things happen, so it still was a great time. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you comment and give the video a big thumbs up, and watch some other videos to see more of the Disney parks lit up for Christmas. Hope that you have a great day. Bye.
Here are a couple more shots that I got after I had finished recording this video. I wanted to include them because it is just so beautiful with all the lights and the Christmas decorations. Also, I realized when I was making this video, this will be my last video before Christmas, so I wanted to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas. I hope that everyone has a safe and happy holiday, and I wanted to extend my gratitude for your support of my channel. It means so much to me. Merry Christmas, y'all.